Go see how it's look like. I love it. And then if you turn it off, like completely off, I should get this one and like swatching on it. Should I? Really? If you want it, we tomorrow can swatching this one, but I just want to go really quick because to show you why I didn't have the line that I did it. It looks totally different in person. You gotta see this. And then when you have a flashlight on, it is everything. It's not only using it for just in this season, is you can use it throughout the year. I love this. It's work great with it's holiday times, and also it's Valentine coming up. This is everything. I can't wait. Maybe I should swatch it tomorrow and to show you how cool it is. You can, and then it's really, the consistency is amazing. You can either using this for your French or the line work. I love this. And then also we have the videos that I did all 6 colors, but today is not the swatching for this. I just want to show you some cute designs really quick. This is the green one. I love this green. Can you see that from under the camera? Mm-hmm. So maybe I should do that. I was like really cool. And then this is also my favorite. So the 6 colors is only that what you need. Some of them you probably can able to mix them, like custom your own, but this pink is everything. As I say, if you're doing this 2 pink and the red is gonna give you a fabulous for like Valentine coming up. And then you do a red and green. I mean, I try just like you doing red and green, perfect for your, hey, you good? Christmas. Red and green, you can do it for Christmas. And then you can do is blue and silver and gold, great for New Year's. Pink and red is for Valentine. And then this blues, this green can be is really cool for your upcoming like St. Patty's. And then the pink, silver, and a little bit gold, and you can definitely doing it for like springtime. Summertime will be blues and silver. So many different, and then you can use it throughout the years. It doesn't have to be necessary, it's just season. So that's why it's 6 colors is all you need. So it's less overwhelmed. But we're gonna do this on another live video so then we can swatch them, because I don't want to spend like a whole hours in talking about this. But definitely this is the iHold Light Art Gels. I love it. That's all you need. And okay, so we have that is silver and gold here. We don't want to spend too much time on the other one because I want to have a whole another video so we can swatching it. So I'm gonna go ahead and using the premium chamfer foil. I just get one light swirl right here just for fun. And then premium iHold chamfer foil. I'm gonna apply